Nope, you're
Hold on.
Why? Why are we holding you?
Do the pose. Do the pose.
I'm a booty.
Good job.
It hurts so good.
Let's go.
A good. Wait, can we
Come on.
switch shoes? A good.
Why did you bring the small ones? Huh? The shoes are in the car. Let's go.
What? Oh, good.
Yeah.
You never told me the shoes were in the car. I thought you brought the bag.
I told you the shoes that you usually go hiking with. Or walking on. You usually bring these shoes? No.
I'm just kidding. I do that.
No, you can't. I don't care, but I'm talking about him. He talking about his shoes or whatever. I'm like, sorry, sweetheart. Hey, watch out.
I look the same under this.
Ayana, get from behind her. What is wrong with y'all? Give her some space. What kind of running you doing? Taylor, back this way. Ayana, you need to wait, please. Damien, wait, please. Go ahead, you guys. We got to figure out which trail we're going to do.
I have big teeth.
Ayana, really? You got big teeth too. Keep your hands out of your mouth. Keep your hands out of your mouth. The kids took the trip the other day.
Y'all always pick this one.
You want to do the one or the two? I know.
Let's go.
Come on.
Wait, Mom, I got a challenge for us.
Damien.
What if me and the other
He gotta
kids
stay
over
this
here
way
and
so
you
he gonna
guys
make there
over
first.
there?
Watch.
Huh? JJ's treating you guys to lunch. That's why we're doing the long trail.
No, we don't want to go to the long trail. Get to lunch?
No.
We never did. We never take this. We always take this.
Yeah, we do. We always take this one.
It's
We always
good.
take the long one.
Yeah, it's come on.
They try to make us go.
I think the more that they try to make us go, the more I'm gonna just be like, nope.
Exactly. Let's go.
But you know the good thing about it? They fall asleep
How dare you?
in the car. Go.
Keep it.
JJ,
Come on, baby. We almost done. Two more left.
Come on.
Two more.
are we getting
Plus, why would you want to just cheat JJ out of her walk? Like, she's never been over here.
We consider it. Come on, kid.
Go.
Come on, we're going.
Come on, we're going.
No.
Elsa, we're building a snowman.
Oh, I said sandcastle. What the hell is wrong with her? Hey, I have not been. I've been asleep, but
never
like,
go?
I have not been to sleep.
Never go to a
I ain't been
frozen.
asleep since the day before yesterday. I've been at work.
Never
I've been with this nigga, hopped up, took
Hold
a
on.
ride to work,
What-
did it.